What are you showing me, Raj? What is that?
The jug plant, the
Oh,
thing that eats the animals. See
here
there?
it's more visible actually.
yeah.
Oh wow,
Oh wow, man.
really
Dude, we
beautiful.
should check how much is the price. Oh yeah.
I told you it was cheaper in India.
Oh my
so
god, half the price. Fuck,
I told you
not
half
think about that
price.
at all. Yeah.
Now Raj realized that it's half price in India. Oh, this looks quite fancy though. Okay, there's some festivals going on here. I think a plant festival, like some tram collection and like museum kind of festival like that for the transportation, I mean. And one more that I have just forgotten. And yeah, I will show you how everything looks like. Oh, it says there's a jewelry festival, Raj. Yeah, so there is something extra too. So yeah, that's the thing I forgot. Yeah, festival of plants, yeah. Also, yeah, some art is there. But the place looks really cool, I would say, with the red bricks. Like it has a nice ambience. And here, for sure, and there's ceramics too, with some cool colors.
I'm excited for the plant stuff.
You like plants so much? Okay, I didn't know because I remember. Yeah, I didn't know. Okay, so on that side, but I just wonder where are all the trams? Where are all the buses, trams? No, but I think they were supposed to be here. So this is what I understand. I don't understand, and I'm sure it was supposed to happen this day, like on this Saturday. Okay, the plant festival, free entrance.
Great marketing. If they give you the basket, you wanna pick something.
Oh yeah, good, right? I didn't think about it, but it's true. If you have the basket, you're more likely will take something. But if there's a cool cactus or some plant that doesn't need to be flowered that much, Raj, we could.
Should we walk from here?
Yeah, we can start from the left side.
Very, very good actually. Oh, what is this? Orange?
Yeah.
Citrus calamandrine mini. Okay.
Nice. I also even say CC, Raj. Says how much sun it needs, how much watering, how difficult is the plant to maintain, how much it also clears the air.
Ah.
Even that. Oh, that's actually nice that they write all about that.
This is aloe vera. This is
Aloe vera. Oh,
Looks like, yeah.
nice.
The Indian one looks very similar. But Indian ones are more thicker, more luscious. But yeah, these are baby ones maybe. Yeah.
I see the structure of this plant, Raj.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Like it looks very. Of course, you have to touch it. Of course, knowing you.
Oh yeah, it has some kind of appendages that has grown from the leaf, man.
But looks cool.
So
looks
cool.
very rare.
Yeah.
Wow, the leaf looks awesome. Like
Velvety.
wow. Yeah. Very
It's 50 slutty,
beautiful.
man. 10 euros.
What are you showing me, Raj? What is that?
The jug plant, the
Oh,
thing that eats the animals. See
Here
there?
it's more visible,
Oh,
actually.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, man.
Really
Dude, we
beautiful.
should check how much is the price. Go to the other side.
Okay, let's check. Are you so 78? So you still want to go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's
Reptile fair or something, it is like half the price actually.
okay. But Raj, I think it needs a lot of watering.
Where is it written? Oh yeah.
The spodlewanie means watering. It's 3 levels.
Yeah, but that's fine. Watering is not a problem.
No, it will be once you go to India
Maintenance
again.
Less? How does it mean? What does it
This is the relation I don't understand, actually. Yeah,
Just film this part actually.
sure. Yeah, I don't understand. Watering 3 levels and difficulty 1.
Watering is not difficult, right? If you think about it. Oh, it's a hanging plant, man.
Oh yeah. Then.
Oh, it'll hang literally. It has a hook and everything. You just go and hang it.
True. Oh, Raj is fascinated at the other
Check the
jug
name.
plant version. For sure not that first one because it doesn't look like
Here it's written,
Monstera.
Sarachina.
Yeah, then that's it.
This is the one,
45
Oh, it's so
zloty.
difficult to maintain, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's not really easy, unfortunately, Raj.
Oh no.
21 zloty.
Survive frozen, but in cool weather it can survive, baby. But indoors to force me. Anything unheated it can live. It's awesome, man.
Yeah, Raj is trying to convince me to buy.
The Venus flytrap.
Yeah.
It will catch all the insects. I'm telling you, it's so cool. It's fascinating. I'm telling you, man. You should get that.
Yeah, since he saw it, he cannot unsee it anymore. Like he keeps telling me.
Literally for that only. I was looking. The moment I know this is what it is, I
Okay.
know. I was thinking we are buying that. I'm telling you, please.
Okay.
Oh, this is the one. This is the one.
What again?
There's another one there, right? How does it change sex?
I know it doesn't look like it
No,
has
actually
anything
it
for
will-
catching.
No. Now see the picture. Oh, they'll put this thing, insects come and then they eat or
Oh,
something.
so it's like that.
Yeah.
Okay. There's
says,
a
right?
picture.
So it's 21 slotty carnivorous mix, you see? Now wow, this is the one, man. How much is the price?
21
oh, yeah,
same.
This is awesome, man. What do you think?
I don't know, Raj. I don't know if you really want it.
Yeah.
Raj made his mind.
Yeah. And we got this.
I didn't expect you would get something here, but we got them.
Cover?
Yeah, we can use our own cover, yeah. So we already approached the payment part.
Do you have cover? Smaller one?
I was not taking anything, Raj.
Okay. So what should we buy the cover then?
Yeah, I mean, what to do?
Okay, go.
We can already put here. Oh, this guy such big plants, for example. Wow. Okay, we are done. Maybe the trams will be outside, Raj.
It's a great time.
Yeah.
Wow, we end up getting Venus flytrap and the jug plant. These are my childhood favorites, when I was studying botany.
Oh.
Yeah, like, this is something I'm hunting for a long time.
Oh,
and I finally
okay.
got it.
And by accident, pure accident, we came for something else
Yeah,
here.
we came for a tram museum
Yeah.
and ended up getting
But the trams are not here.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where the trams are. It was supposed to be a tram festival, or it's, I don't know. However, we have like a tram cafe only, like cafe in a tram only there, somewhere there. But
All the money we would have spent for the jewelry shop,
yeah, I mean partially, yeah, that's true. Because if we went for the jewelry exhibition or something, like the entrance was like, I think 12 zloty paid. And this way, at least for half of the price, it's like we included in buying the plants. This is your tram. At least there is some sort of cafe if you wanted to have. What do we have here? So here we have some bubble tea, then some Portuguese cuisine. Oh, quite a few people are here. And then some Asian dumplings. Oh, this looks quite fancy though. And now we went to Hala Stulecia. You will see the building in some time. There's also some picnic and some festival happening. That's what I think, at least, based on what I checked. And we are going through some park nearby. There's some fountain, a lot of children. Also, you can probably hear in the background. But where's the picnic that I saw online? Like, where is it? I don't see it anywhere.
You are seeing picnic. People are all sitting.
Yeah, but where is the picnic?
Oh, smells good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, like the honey
there's a
nuts.
restaurant, I think.
Like, no, but restaurant is not picnic, Raj.
No, I'm just saying. There is
Okay,
a
just
restaurant.
saying. But do you also feel this, smell this like honey nuts?
Yeah, that's what from the restaurant, man.
But really? Okay.
See.
Yeah, I know there's a restaurant, I know.
You wanna watch in this area?
Where?
This one.
Fountain? No, thanks. Games for children. Yeah, games for children, and that's why it's so loud here, and children screaming. Oh yeah, probably the picnic is somewhere there, I guess, in that part. Something is happening too. Guys, the picnic, that's it, I guess. Now let's take it and let's simply look carefully. Yeah, let's just simply sit down. A proszę pójść, my jeszcze nie zamawiamy.
Ja czekam.
Ah, okay. He's just waiting for his own pizza too.
Okay.
Hawaiian, don't you want to try the Hawaiian one?
Should we?
No, I'm not a fan.
I mean, I always wanted to try. I thought I was going with this one.
But the vegetarian.
It has everything. I was recording the pizza lady was looking so angry or suspicious. Why am I recording you without your permission or something?
Oh, okay, that's weird. Yeah, probably that lady who like had this weird face probably didn't know that we are together. I don't know, or maybe she was unhappy that I was recording the place here. Okay, these are the pizza: chicken fist, 4 cheeses, and vegetarian.
Yeah.
We just had our pizza. It was half price of the Indian Domino's regarding the price, but I just feel like the Indian flavors were better, like the paneer tikka masala pizza and all. Like they were more juicy and nicer.
I would say the price is same though, Indian and
Really?
here actually, yeah.
No, it
If you
was
do
a
the
bit
math,
cheaper.
it was 1,000 rupees. Okay, we paid
Okay.
actually, which is 120 euros, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Here also 120.
Okay, but don't you think
Oh,
it's
sorry, not 120.
No.
I'm saying like sorry.
No, I told you. So remember, in India we had 2 small
Sorry,
pizzas.
12
and-
euros, 12 euros something in India.
Yeah.
Here it is 20. Oh, okay.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
I told you it was cheaper in India.
Oh
so
my god, half the price. Fuck,
I told you
didn't
half
think about that
price.
at all. Yeah.
Now Raj realized that it's half price in India, the price of the same Domino's, and even flavors are more interesting in India. There's more choice and more interesting. The only thing that was better right now was the chocolava cake was better here than in India. Because in India it was like too much overwhelming and a bit weird, but here the chocolava was really good.
Mm-hmm.
And you said that your pizza was too tangy, like the tomato sauce before, right? When you were eating?
Yeah, it became too tangy because of the cherry
Okay.
tomatoes that they put in.
I see. For me, I like the chicken feast one. It had chicken, tomato sauce, onion, corn. I think that's all, and the mozzarella topping. But it was not as good as the Indian chicken pizza that we had in Domino's India. Yeah, that's my thoughts. I liked the 4 cheese, where that had like gorgonzola and some other cheeses. I think the full cheese pizza was a bit better, but it's also maybe I only ate one piece, so I didn't feel that overwhelmed. Also possible. Yeah, let's now see the tram exhibition, if it's there or not.
Yeah.
Let's see if we'll get disappointed or not. I mean, we'll try one more time.
Yeah.
We'll take the bikes
Yep.
from here. Just let me just show you. Oh, not that. Yeah, we'll take those local free bikes. Okay, I came back to this place where the tram exhibition had to happen, but it's like the time that was they were supposed to be here, and then like going to the city center, but I still don't see any of those old vehicles that were supposed to be here. It's literally 5 p.m. and still it's exactly the same as when we were coming, with the only difference that there's less people. Honestly, I think I'm heading back home with some disappointment. Maybe I'm looking a little bit wrongly, maybe it's somewhere deeper, but in the photos that I saw on Facebook on the Wrocław page, it was supposed to be like literally here, and yeah, I'm going back home. I think I'm not gonna wait, not knowing even if I will see it, or maybe there is some